Today let's see how to derive the formula a plus n minus 1 into d to find any term. So let's take example 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. So if you look, there is difference of 3 between all the numbers, between two consecutive numbers, which means it's an arithmetic progression. If I try to find the difference between first and third, it becomes 6. If I increase, it becomes 9. It becomes 12. Which means as I go ahead, each time it's having the difference of, it increasing the difference by 3. Which means here it was first 3, then became 6, 9 and 12. So the difference between first and this number is, last number is 12. So what happened? 3 multiplied by, it was 3 is the difference. 4 means the first number is 5 and last number is 17. And we have found the difference up to 17, which is fifth term. Means 5 minus 1. Why 5? I have counted the total numbers, which is 5. 5 minus 1 is this 4. And this gives you the difference. So if I have to find nth term, this 5 will be n minus 1, and this will give you the last numbers difference. But how it came from? It came from the first number, which means first number, and if I add this term to it, which will give you the last number, which means plus 5 gives 17. That's what I added, plus 5. And 5 is my first number. I am denoting first number by a. So it becomes a plus n minus 1 into d. If I want to find 101th term, which means the value of n is 101, and the value of a is my first term, value is 5, and the difference is 3. So it becomes 5 plus 101 minus 1 is 100. 100 multiplied by 3 becomes 300, and 300 plus 5 will be 305. So my 101th term is 305. If you want to check whether you have used the correct formula or not, so you know this number. Take any number, say for an example 14. 14 is which term? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth term. So you have to find fourth term. If you put the value here in the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, a is what? 5. So it will become 5 plus d is difference, that is 3, multiply by n minus 1. Fourth term, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 into 3 becomes 9, and 9 plus 5 is 14. So you have used the correct formula. Now let's see if 61 is a part of a sequence. Which means if you go on increasing by 3, we should have something in the sequence called as 61. So what our formula say is a plus n minus 1 into d, and want to check if 61 is a part of it. Now what happens here is a is 5 is what you know, n we don't know, because if whether 61 is present or not, we need to first check it. So let's keep n as it is, n minus 1, and the difference is 3, becomes 61. So plus 5 there will become minus 5, and at the same time I'll keep this as it is. So it will become 56. This becomes 3n minus 3 equal to 56, which becomes 3n equal to 59 and n equal to 59 upon 3. Till now we checked whenever there is a difference, it should be same. And the numbers here are the whole numbers. We don't have anything in fraction. So 61 is not a part of the sequence.